We'll begin with some big breaking news coming in. In a major setback to the government, the Westminster Court has pushed the trial date hearing to December to decide whether fugitive billionaire Vijay Mallya will be extradited back to India or not. During the hearing, the court rapped Centre for Delayed Proof. That's the big breaking news coming in. Let me now go across to my colleague Nikunj, who joins us for more on this. Nikunj, good morning. We've been discussing that how the UK court is expecting a very, very high level of proof to ensure that extradition actually happens. Do you see, after what really happened inside the courtroom yesterday, as some sort of a setback to the Indian government?
Well, on the face of it, it appears so. It would be naive to assume that this is not a setback, because if the judge used those harsh words, yesterday also when two of our colleagues were reporting from that Westminster court, Jonathan clearly mentioned the fact that judge asking about whether Indian authorities were cooperating, whether their response was real time, whether they were answering and replying to the queries promptly to show that whether they were really interested in a quick extradition of Vijay Mallya or not. So and today further inputs are coming in from our sister newspaper, the Times of India, which says that the judge was clearly not happy with the speed of the response and speed or the promptness of the response being shown by the Indian agencies, and the amount of proof so far extended in the case. So very, very clearly, Indian agencies, if a serious bit, the government of today has very clearly made its intent clear that Vijay Mallya must be extradited. So therefore, the law enforcement agencies concerned, which is the Enforcement Directorate and the CBI, must also follow it up with great amount of rigor and great amount of vigor. And therefore, if their claims are right, that they have substantial amount of proof on Vijay Mallya, that they have no doubt that he's a willful loan defaulter, that there is substantial amount of proof to prove that he, despite having money.
So the prosecution has admitted that there has been a delay in the proof, and let me just quote what exactly he said, that Crown Prosecution Service needs a further 3 to 4 weeks to actually receive the rest of the evidence from India and to review it. The material received is not substantial.